Narcissistic personality disorder (NPD) is a psychological and spiritual condition where an individual's ego and desires dominate their life, leading to a disregard for faith, morals, and values. As Muslims, we are taught to control our ego and desires and not allow them to control us. NPD can develop for various reasons, including childhood trauma or an unhealthy family environment. People with NPD are often selfish, arrogant, manipulative, and deceitful. It's important to remember that all humans possess some narcissistic traits, but these traits exist on a spectrum. The lowest level involves negative thoughts that are not acted upon, while more severe narcissistic behaviors can lead to destructive actions like violence. Narcissism and empathy. The key difference between someone with narcissistic traits and someone with NPD is the presence of empathy. A person with empathy is aware of their negative behavior and tries to be considerate of others, while a narcissist lacks the self-awareness and regard for others. A simple definition of narcissism is this: a narcissist is someone who is extremely self-centered with an exaggerated sense of self-importance. They are characterized by excessive admiration and infatuation with themselves. In other words, they believe they are perfect and can never be wrong. Their view of the world is the only one that matters, and they expect everyone else to adjust to their reality. Narcissism is often used to describe individuals, both men and women, who seem obsessed with themselves and their image. However, there is a difference between healthy self-love and obsessive self-admiration. We'll explore this distinction as we examine the traits of a narcissist. Some common narcissistic behaviors are: number 1, love bombing. They shower you with excessive attention, affection, and charm to make you feel special and attached to them. This phase is designed to idolize you until they have you hooked. Number 2, idealization. They mirror your desires, needs, and feelings, making you believe you found your soulmate. This boosts your self-esteem and keeps you coming back for more. If everything feels too perfect, this is a red flag. Number 3, gaslighting. They manipulate you into questioning your own sanity, memories, and perception of reality, making you doubt yourself. Number 4, future faking. They make promises about the future, for example, marriage and kids, that never follow through. Their promises are meant to keep you invested in the relationship. Number 5, false self. They create a false identity to impress and manipulate others. They wear their mask so often that they might even begin to believe it themselves. Number 6, rage and tantrums. When a narcissist doesn't get their way, they throw tantrums similar to a child's, using emotional outbursts to manipulate you into giving them what they want. Number 7, blame game. They refuse to take responsibility for their actions and instead blame others. For example, they might say, "It's your fault I cheated," or "You made me hit you." Number 8, interrupting. They turn every conversation back to themselves. They will frequently interrupt others and dominate discussions to maintain control. Number 9, projection. They often accuse others of behaviors they themselves are guilty of. For example, they may accuse you of cheating while they are the ones being unfaithful. Remember this saying: a narcissist's accusations are admissions. Number 10, silent treatment. They may use silence as a form of punishment, leaving you wondering what's going on. This tactic is used to cause anxiety, guilt, and insecurity. Number 11, triangulation. They use a third person to create jealousy or insecurity in the relationship. For instance, they might talk about someone pursuing them romantically to make you compete for their attention. Number 12, devaluation. Once they've built you up, they start tearing you down by criticizing your looks or behavior. This is often followed by the discard phase, where they discard you entirely. Number 13, discard. After using you for their needs, the narcissist will abandon you without remorse. They may try to return later if their new victim disappoints them. Number 14, smear campaign. If you leave a narcissist, they may try to ruin your reputation by spreading lies about you. This is done to make you look crazy and isolate you from others. Number 15, flying monkeys. These are people, often friends or family, who who are used by the narcissist to carry out their manipulation. They may spy on you or spread rumors to further the narcissist's agenda. And number 16, hovering. When a narcissist feels they can still benefit from you, they may try to hover you back into the relationship. They might often fake apologies, promises, and excessive kindness to reel you back in. Being involved with a narcissist is often like being stuck in a revolving door, repeating the same cycle and hoping for a different outcome. Understanding these patterns can help you protect yourself and set healthy boundaries. These traits serve as a stark reminder of how dangerous narcissistic tendencies can be. They are destructive to both the individual who harbors them and to those around them. We must stay vigilant, addressing these harmful traits to ourselves and in our relationships to maintain healthy and balanced hearts and minds. Narcissism, whether in its subtle or overt forms, is a disease of the soul that must be healed through self-awareness, humility, and the constant remembrance of Allah.